today we're going to be making some cookies, chocolate chip cookies with my hero arm, so some Bionic Baking. The first thing that I'm going to do is add my melted butter and my sugar together, and then add the sugar. The next task is to sift together the flour, the baking powder, the salt and the vanilla extract. It's really useful to turn the wrist at this point. I add that in. And then just turn my wrist, shake it off. We now have to sift the flour. My sieve is broken, so I've come up with a little way of holding it with my hero hand. And the chocolate chips. So once that's in a kind of a dough-like texture, you've got to crack the egg, and this is the first time I've ever cracked an egg with my hero arm, so let's see how it goes. Not too much force. Yes! Didn't even break the yolk. And there you have it, cookie dough. Could probably just eat that whole thing in one, but I'm not going to do that. Now we need to line our baking tray. So I'll bring my thumb in and then grip the baking parchment with the fingers. Okay, so there are the cookies ready to go in the oven. They go in on 160 degrees centigrade and they take around 10 to 20 minutes depending on the size of the cookies. So obviously we've got quite big ones, but they're ready when the edges go a little bit golden. So I'm going to pop the oven on and get them in ready to eat.